I've traced all around, so now I'm going to check. The way that I check, and I know that I've done everything right, but if it was a bigger pattern, you wouldn't be sure. But you know what I forgot is to number. Whew, a big 4. All right, so I'm going to look, make sure it went through, okay? Make sure it went through again. Oh, do you see what happened to the top of his head? Good thing I checked, huh? All right, we're going to move this down like that. And then we're going to start again. Okay, so I went over it again. Let's check. All right, we got the top of his head this time. Good job. Okay, on to the next step, which is cutting this baby out. Okay, I have cut out this little guy with regular scissors, just regular scissors, one blade on each side, okay? And what I'm going to do now is cut out these lines with pattern shears, which are 2 blades on the bottom, 1 blade on the top, to give me a little bit of extra to make sure that there's room for the copper foil. Another thing I wanted to say right at this point is when you are making your pattern, make sure you have enough room around it here, about 1 inch around, so that you have something to nail to. On this one, I'll probably just put a couple nails because it's a sun catcher. It doesn't have to be perfect on the edge, or it's, you know, it's going to be fine. But when you're making your own pattern at home, make sure to give yourself at least 1 inch all the way around of blankness. Okay. As you can see, I have cut it all out with the pattern shears. There's just a little bit of room in between the pieces. That's going to give me plenty of room for the copper foil. I've chosen some colors. This guy only has 2 colors, so he's going to be yellow with a cute little orange beak. So let's go from there. Here's the little fellow all cut out. I haven't ground it yet, so it's a little rough, but it fits nicely. And I'm going to tell on myself, yeah, number 3 broke. So I had to redo number 3. Hey, don't let that discourage you if glass breaks. Just cut a new one and pretend it never happened. Okay, I am going to go grind, and we'll see what happens next. Look how cute he is. He's fitting nicely, and he's all ground. So the next step will be, here he is, all foiled. He looks very cute. Now all I have to do is solder him together. I don't know why I think it's a boy, but I think. So here he is, all soldered, cute. And I just want to let you know, though, I had a little time figuring out where the ring should go so that it would hang nicely. So you might have to experiment a little bit with where the ring should go. So I've put some black patina on my rag. This is what it looks like silver. You might just want to leave it silver, and that is pretty. Or you might want to make it black. I put a little bit of black patina on there. And that's what he looks like there. And that kind of makes the color stand out more, doesn't it? There we go. His little head. And I'll do both sides. Okay, and I'll make sure to do the edges too. And he's cute. Now you can give him a little eye if you want to, just with some paint right here, and I think I might do that just to show you. And there he is, and he's very cute. So here he is, all finished. I put a black patina on. I think I like that. And they has a ring on there so you can hang it. And I put some I don't think he's airbrush paint, I think it's model paint for his eye. And I made it blue just for fun. So there he is, and I'm sure you can do it. I wondered about the inside curves, but they were not hard at all. And I think it'll be a fun little springtime project. So have fun. So here he is, all finished. And if you try this project, I hope you have fun with it. And send me a picture of where you hang it. That will be really fun. It could be for Easter, for spring, for a baby shower, just for fun. So this has been Jeannie in the Stained Glass Studio, and I will see you next time.